What are the causes and which cracks are problems? In today's video, I want to talk to you about different types of cracks in a building. Horizontal cracks are typically structurally related. However, their significance depends on whether there is lateral movement or not. If a wall has moved 1/3 of its thickness out of plumb, it's in imminent danger of falling. If it has not moved or if the movement is less than 1/3 of its thickness, the wall can probably be reinforced. Vertical or nearly vertical cracks are only structurally related when there is lateral movement. This assumes the crack is consistent in width from top to bottom. In most cases, vertical cracks are relatively narrow, even those running from top to bottom and caused by contraction. Expansion and contraction are normal for building materials. The more rigid the material is, the more likely it is that the crack will develop. Porous or less dense materials will be flexible and less likely to crack. "45-degree wall cracks are almost always structurally related. The cracks must break through the material to qualify. Step cracks in a block wall, which only crack at the mortar joints and not through the block, are not structurally related. When the bearing or foundation under the wall is not adequate, the wall will settle or sink at the weak area. The adjacent wall structures, which are adequately supported, will resist this movement. This situation will cause the 45-degree cracking. Cracks in ceramic tile floors are generally due to a few things. Materials of different density expand and contract at different rates. Floor systems not stiff enough to properly support a ceramic tile. If the strength of the floor is adequate, using an additive in the grout would allow the ceramic system to flex with the wood floor system and would eliminate the typical differential expansion and contraction of the materials.